We all want a brighter future. This means putting in the time and effort to achieve certain goals and dreams. It also means making the right decisions and the right investments.
Since I have kids, my dreams have always been for them. I want them to be equipped, I want them safe, but ready for life.
This is where Vista Residences comes in. With the upsurge in the Philippine economy, developments in the retail and real estate sector have increased to answer the growing demand. We are achieving both investment grades and acquiring economic competitiveness. And it's only just beginning. Manila is now one of the top investment cities in Asia, a market with one of the lowest property prices and a rental yield that's one of the highest in the region. As the number of businesses and investments in the Philippines multiply, the demand for office and living spaces rise as well. Vista differentiates itself from these developments by creating properties that positively influence lives and build hope for tomorrow.
If I were to describe the Philippines, I'd say we are emerging. It's a promising future for us, and it's even more promising for the new generation.
With this in mind, Vista focuses its attention on the youth, particularly the college students and young professionals who have specific needs and wants when it comes to housing.
As much as I want my children to be with me 24/7, pag college na, ang hirap na uwian sa bahay. There's a long commute and the dangers that come with it.
Honestly, the time I spent traveling, hindi mo na mababalik yun eh. Instead of studying or doing extracurricular activities, I spent most of my time on the road.
For many, student housing is the best answer. That's why Vista has projects like Vista 309 Katipunan, Crown Tower University Belt, 878 España, and Vista Taft, which are close to schools and business districts.
What we want to do is to build on the future of this young generation. And in the spirit of this commitment, there is now Vista GL Taft.
A new frontier for student and yuppie living, Vista GL Taft is a great place for housing the youth and harnessing the future.
We took inspiration after Google's Office, playful but highly functional. Other than the standard amenities, there's an e-library and of course, Wi-Fi in all areas. We also have these state-of-the-art study pods and a Sky Lounge that utilizes solar panels for renewable energy. The property is tailor-fit to hone minds without putting a strain on the planet's resources.
Safety and security are of course one of our top priorities. To offer parents peace of mind, the building is equipped with a tight security system which is manned by our ever-vigilant security team.
Designed specifically with the younger generation in mind, Vista GL Taft provides an environment that helps them reach their highest potential. At the same time, parents can feel at ease, knowing that they have made the right decision and investment for their children's future.
Home? It's pretty far from here, but now I have a second home that keeps me at the top of my game.
Once my kid graduates, this investment will continue to be valuable. It will be easy to find parents who will want to rent this for their kids. This property will always be needed, and I believe it's the smartest investment to make.
To every family out there, every parent who has kids brimming with potential, every hard worker looking to make a great investment, I say, rise with us, rise with Vista Residences, and build a brighter future.
Vista GL Taft,